let's face it, it went down. All right. The versus battle went down between Jill Scott and Erykah Badu. And let me just put this out here right now. Let me say right now. These queens were shining up each other's crowns. That's all that was going on, hands down, from the beginning to the end. I mean, you had hours of just smooth, mellow music, timeless classics, and them just bigging each other up each time. I'm telling you, these crowns wasn't crooked, that they had to shift. They ain't have to dust the dust off them or nothing like that. All they did, they just said, hey, let me shine your crown a little bit more. Let me shine your crown a little bit more. They was going back and forth. When they both played the Roots, You Know You Got Me, they both played it because she rapped it and she wrote it. I mean, she sung it and she wrote it. I was like, oh my God. You ain't never seen a versus battle where both of them got to play the same song. That was just immaculate, dog. I ain't gonna lie, man. Who won? It's hard to say who won, man. I can't pick no one. I can't pick no one. This right here was straight, yo. It was just straight music, straight for the culture. Like, the women did it. They did it. They did it. They did it. And while they were doing it, I was able to make a couple of $100 from my automated text bot, chat bot that I got going on that gives $100 each time, you know, I do internet marketing. And I'm telling you, just to have that, enjoying that, sipping what I was sipping on, and then having updates come through on my phone saying that, hey, you got $100, you got another $100, you got another $100, while on and on and on was playing, while Tyrone was playing. Yo, Jill Scott, you know what I'm saying? They remember that first video with Jill Scott? She had that grease out at the lady's door. Hey, ready to get going? I'm telling you. So, I mean, just to have both of them things, it was just, I don't know. Make sure you subscribe to the video. Make sure you turn on the notification and get notified each time I drop the video. And put your comment below what was the highlight of the battle for you. Put your comment below what was the highlight of the battle, who you think won. And if you're interested in what I do while I'm, you know what I'm saying, while I'm able to check out these things and enjoy life, you know, like I say, getting the immediate $100 every day is wonderful. All right, it's simple chat box that I'm with. You just text. You have people text the number. You text the number. You set up your system. You give it out, and people will set it up, and you get $100 over and over again. But Jill Scott, Erykah Badu, hats off, salute. I bow down to the queens, man. Great event. You know what I'm saying? Going to Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers. My mother, the mother of my children. I'm out. Peace. Subscribe and drop your comment below what you thought about it.